Hey, welcome back to Let's Eat with Russ. Today I'm going to work on some rosemary roasted potatoes. So I've got everything mostly already prepped. I assume you know how to use a knife. So I just bought a little sack of assorted mixed potatoes. So I got the little purple ones and the red potatoes. So if they're that small, I mostly just throw them into the bowl whole. If they're this big, I usually cut them at least in half. Which again I basically already did. So I'm going to throw those guys in there. Where's my spatula? Actually, the oil. So this is about 2 tablespoons of just, extra virgin olive oil. Just drizzle all that into the bowl. This is about 3 cloves of garlic, or about 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. You can definitely use the pre-jarred, already minced garlic, or even garlic powder if you don't have anything handy, but I like to use fresh whenever I can. And this is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of rosemary. It's kind of whatever your preference is. So it's pretty easy. I just dump all that into a bowl and just give it a good toss to make sure everything's coated pretty evenly with the oil. The oil is the most important because that's what's going to help brown the potatoes in the oven. And again, I'm working in the small kitchen today, so I'm just going to use a little countertop oven instead of a real oven. Looks about good enough. And then for myself personally, and you can do this afterwards on your plate, but I like to do a little fresh ground salt and pepper. Again, you can just kind of do this to taste. It doesn't have to be a specific measurement. So maybe a teaspoon or of each. That might even be too much, especially on the salt if you're sensitive to salt. And I've got my little miniature oven already preheated to about 400. You don't have to, but I like to coat it with foil just because it's easier for cleanup. And just basically dump those guys into the baking sheet here. You want to spread them into one layer. And when you are baking them, which is probably, I'm guessing in advance, is going to take maybe about 45 minutes. You're going to want to use like a large spatula as best you can and kind of try to stir them and turn them over at least once. 2 times might be a little bit better throughout the process. So anyway, I'm going to throw these in the oven and we'll check back in a few. All right, got them out of the oven. Looks like they came out pretty good. This is what you're looking for, kind of browned around the edges, and you can where to go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can stick them with a fork, make sure they're soft enough to eat. But you're looking for, a little browning, a little softening, all of that, good to go. Looks like they came out all right. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.